Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit a mitered square. Mitered squares are easy to knit and perfect for making blankets or for knitting patchwork projects. I will show you how to knit a mitered square using only one color, but I will also show you how to add stripes. To knit a mitered square, you need to cast on an odd number of stitches. I cast on 25 stitches to get a square that is 12 rows long and 12 rows high. After the cast on, take a removable marker and mark the center stitch of the row. In my case, that is the 13th stitch. Knit until you get to the last stitch before the marked stitch. Slip 2 stitches at the same time as if to knit. Knit the next stitch and pull the 2 slipped stitches over the last stitch. Knit the rest of the row. Turn and knit all of the stitches of the wrong side row. Turn and knit until you get to the last stitch before the marked stitch. Knit another centered double decrease by slipping 2 stitches at the same time as if to knit. Knit the next stitch and pull the 2 slipped stitches over the last stitch. Knit the rest of the row. Turn and knit the stitches of the wrong side row. Continue knitting every row and working a centered double decrease in the middle of every right side row until only 3 stitches remain. In the meantime, I will show you how to add stripes to the mitered square. To add a stripe, change to another color at the beginning of the right side row. Continue in the same way as before, so work a centered double decrease in the middle of the right side row and knit the wrong side row. At the beginning of the next right side row, change back to the previous color. Just let the strand of the current color dangle in front of the work and take the strand of the new color from behind the work. If you want to knit a mitered square that is two-colored, like the one that I showed you in the beginning, just change colors at the beginning of every right side row. Once you only have 3 stitches left, only work the centered double decrease one last time. You can now cut the yarn and pull it through the last stitch. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.